I need me a tube that comes out of this thing, a vent tube, early Chevy vent tube. Maybe I can run across one of them somewhere without having to pay an arm and a leg for it. I think I'm going to let that go for the rest of the day, and I got some things coming today. I got parts coming in the next few days, but my next couple of days are going to be cleanup. I'm going to wash that block and clean out and wash all these pistons, and be very careful and clean and wipe down that crankshaft, and yeah, clean out the oil pan and the oil pump thing and all kind of fun stuff like that. Oh, I got stuff to keep me busy for a few more days, I believe. I'll be all right. It's been a real pleasure hanging with y'all. I appreciate you visiting me. I had some thoughts. You know how you lay awake in the middle of the night and you think things, and I was laying there thinking about wondering how this would look if I put the big fat fenders back on it. Might be kind of a cool look. I don't know. Tempting to try, but I don't want to drag out a pile of fenders right in the middle of doing that motor, but might be interesting to see how it should look. I'm gonna give that some thought. Wouldn't take but I could take a day, pull down a couple of fenders and stick them up on there and look at them, see what I think. Holy joy! I reset my camera a little bit by the way. Bunch of films I made, so I'll walk around here again and hey bird, where you at? Oh yeah, I hear you. Where are you? Yeah, tell me more. Where you at? You over here? Yeah, where you at? See ya. That sounds like you're right up there. Yeah. Well, good luck to you wherever you're at. I'm right in the tree right there. Yeah. Okay then.